guys, today we will be unboxing this Squishmallow housing thing. Let's rotate the camera and see what we have to unbox today. Let's see what it includes. So, it is 5 adorable accessories, fun in the snow, and a snowman suit. Let's get this unboxing ready. Okay, first we are going to unbox it right here. Got it from Ross for Christmas, I guess. Okay, we're gonna see. Oh my god, I hate this tape. Come on. Okay, sorry guys, let's try the other side. Here's that. Okay, so there's, I guess on the side, there's this thing I can unbox it. Why does this tape suck? Okay, there we go. Oh, there's tape on one more side. It's on the purple Squishmallow octopus. And I gotta put it on the ground to help. Okay, we got it. Box is going bye-bye. All right, let me show you guys how it's looking. So I guess we have the house and our stuff. Let's get unboxing this. First, on this side, we have a bunch of tape that we're gonna have to take off, or else this thing's never gonna get opened. Or maybe I'll just rip it, I don't know. Okay, there's one side, I guess. We're gonna have to do the bottom. Okay, here's one side. OMG, what a cute little background. Okay, here is the house with a cute little thing on the, oh my gosh, it's Velcro. This little thing is Velcro. OMG, I love this house, I'm obsessed. There's even this little paper in here, so we're gonna have to get that. Hold on, let me get some scissors, guys. I'll be right back. We have our scissors. Let's get this thing cut out. We got the paper Squishmallow out. So I don't want to rip any of these things out, so we're not going to cut any of this. But we're going to move the house to the side and get this stuff out. Let's go to this side with the tape. Oh man. Hold on, guys. Okay, this is where the scissors come in handy. Okay. Okay, here's that side. Now the bottom. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna take this off camera for a sec. Okay. Here we go. We had some things going on that. What a cute little background. Let's get this stuff out. So we have a Squishmallow here. We're gonna cut it out. Don't cut the tail. There it goes. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys this cute little Squishmallow. This is Cam the cat. I think it is. The tag has like Squishmallow, Squishville. Okay, we're gonna put that to the side and cut the rest off. Next, we have this unicorn. Okay, the thing's gonna be falling down a lot. I love how these little things have outfits. Here's the unicorn. Cute little glittery unicorn horn. Super cute. Next, if this thing would stop falling down. Okay, I definitely know this one's name. I think it's Winston. Oh yeah, it actually says it on the side. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. All right, let's get this out. Here's Winston. So let me go over these names with you at the end after I cut these out. This is Fifi. OMG. Where is it? I'm afraid I'm gonna cut the tail off. Hold up, guys. Let me cut this off camera. Oh my gosh, I thought I was gonna cut the tail off. Okay, well, there it goes again. Here's Fifi, the fox. Now, before we cut out the accessories, we're actually gonna read the names because I didn't even do it right. We have Cam the cat. We have Lola the unicorn. Winston the owl. And Fifi the fox. Okay, let's cut the rest out. We have little accessories on here. Oh my gosh, there it goes again. Well, here's this little, oh my gosh, I don't even know what this is. All right, comment down and tell me what you think this little purple thing is. We cut the paper Squishmallow out. And last but not least, we have our little snowman outfit for one of the Squishmallows. Okay. Did I just cut that? OMG, I think I did. Okay, well, let's get this paper out. Little papers everywhere. OMG, look at this outfit. I love it. Okay, I think we're gonna save this background. It's so cute. All right, we're gonna start. Oh gosh, that's a lot of trash. All right. Well, let's set this background up. Wait, I think it can be cut off. Okay, now. So we're gonna take off this. Oh, okay, so this can actually come off. So I think it turns into a background after you take off all this extra stuff. Okay. So here's all the names, I guess. It's a paper with all the names. So I don't think we're gonna keep this. And then this thing can come out because I don't really need it on there. Okay, we're gonna take off all this tape. It's really ruining this. Okay, there we go. We're gonna get this little thing out. Now onto the back, we get to get some more tape off. Let me do this off camera. I don't know how I'm gonna do it on camera. Okay, scissors are needed for this. Here goes the little paper. Okay, I think this turns into a cute little background now. it is. We're gonna put this on display for a second, so hold up. Okay, I'm actually not gonna show you guys yet, so you guys are gonna be facing towards my bed. And I'm gonna show you guys the ending results. Clean up all this trash. Okay, let's put this on display. Okay, I'm gonna show you, but you have 3 seconds to like and subscribe before I show you. 3, 2, 1. You stand up, cover the cam. Here it is. So I actually picked that the snowman outfit is going on Cam the cat. Let me show you. He's so cute with it on. But there's the display. Here's the house. Here's the Squishmallows. If you like that unboxing, please hit that like and subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye.